For your articles of incorporation or your documentation around your assumed name, or just the proof that you're in good standing, you want to navigate to the licensing and regulatory affairs website that the state of Michigan has. So you're going to go to their website and look for, I need to start a business, file annual reports, or look up a business. And you're going to go to this My Business Registry website. If you logged in before and you remember like the experience, it's gotten a lot better. So definitely want to try this out. So you're going to navigate down to the search area and you're going to search for your business name. So typically opens up in a new tab and I'm going to search Base Builder Labs and I can see all the information that I need to see. I actually have to update some information because I've moved offices recently, so this is even enlightening for me. But you're going to go and check your history and filings, and this is where you can download any documentation that your bank might need for funding or that you need for applying to a program. So you can download all of these documents, and these are different from like, I guess, like a documented articles of organization. Like you can still have like straight up them on a Word document, but for purposes most of the time, like these pretty much do the job. So I like to share that because this should be kind of the bread and butter. And then I also want to note that there is an annual report that you have to file every year to remain in good standing. And this keeps you active and like in good business. So when you're applying for programs, people are looking for this type of information. Working with a bank, they want to know that you're actively like filing your report, and it just kind of shows that you are in business.